Hey everyone, this is Tim from Skytech Studios. Today in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of this Skytech pre-made gaming computer off of Amazon. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So the processor on here is an AMD Ryzen 3700X with a motherboard of B450. Graphics is an NVIDIA RTX 2070 Super 8GB. The memory is a 16GB DDR4 3000, and it has a 1TB SSD. And I got this off at Amazon for about $1,500, and it's entirely a pre-made computer. And I'm excited to go ahead and open this up. So let's go into the other room and start unboxing this beast. Alright, so let's go ahead and start opening this up. So when I was looking at the reviews for this, now they did say some things like there are some components missing, so I'm going to make sure and double check before I go ahead and start it up, just to make sure all the wires are connected and everything looks good inside. Now that's the main things that I saw for the negatives for the reviews. Overall, it seemed like it was pretty positive. And I'm going to go ahead and start it up just to make sure I am actually getting what I paid for here instead of having something missing. And this is my second pre-made computer. I've been using a pre-made computer for the last 7 years. I bought it off Amazon. I've been entirely happy with it so far. It's been a little bit loud, but everything else has been working out pretty good for me. So this is the top. There's two small boxes right here. Looks like probably a mouse and a keyboard. So let's get this interviewed, and let's see. Let's go ahead and open up and see this keyboard real quick, just to see if it's any good. I'll probably be using this one. Seems like a mechanical keyboard. This doesn't look too bad, actually. I'll be using this one. The other mechanical keyboard I have is very loud. When you press it, it clicks so loud, so I don't like using it all that much. So, okay, this isn't too bad. So here is the keyboard if you're wondering what it looks like, how it is when it comes with your computer from Skytech. This is looking pretty good. So let's put this to the side. And then right here is the mouse, I'm assuming, in this box. Yep. So here is the mouse. Just throw this all to the side here. Okay, so Skytech mouse here, two buttons on the side. Doesn't feel too bad. I don't know if I'll be using this one. I have a really nice mouse with all the buttons on the side here that help me edit videos, so I really enjoy using that, but I might use this one here. So here it is. Get a nice view of the mouse that comes with your Skytech computer. Doesn't seem too bad. I like it a lot better than my other pre-made computers, mouse and keyboard. Then what is on the side here? Skytech Gaming. What's in here? Looks like we got some stickers, a $10 gift card off of Amazon here, offer only valid in the US. So it looks like I might have to go to their website to redeem this. I have to write a product review. Okay, interesting. So quality control certification, build inspection, installation, performance testing. All right, and then this guy signed it, and it was dated July 10th, 2020. I ordered this right around that date too, so that's pretty soon. It's July 16th right now when I received it. So interesting. So they're saying they inspected it, so I'll just double check to make sure. So okay, interesting. That's cool. And I'm thinking this is the top. It comes in this kind of like case. This I don't know, this bag here. Maybe I should just... Alright, so I'll set it on the side here and just scoot it out of the box. Since I got everything else out. Alright, here it comes. I like these foam things on the side. I definitely don't think it's going to be scratching the ground or scratching the case here. Alright, this is good. It looks like I see the power cord. What is this? Oh, these are Wi-Fi antennas. Make sure you don't lose this when you're taking a note. So I'll probably have to put that in. I got two of them in here. So you got two Wi-Fi antennas. Make sure you don't lose that. Then the power cable. Put that to the side. And here it is. Nothing left in the box. Here is the computer. Let's take this off. Take this off. This is the bottom right here. Alright, the bottom is on my right side. Alright, let's see this. The case kind of looked kind of beautiful. So I was looking at different options, like when I was thinking about making one, I saw some really beautiful cases. Alright, so here we go. First time taking a look at this. Oh my gosh! I wasn't expecting it to be so white. I like it though. Alright, so we got, what does this say? Tempered glass, please handle with care. Wow, this is beautiful. This looks great. Okay, so here is the front side here that I'm going to be looking at. It looks like they actually have something inside their package, so I will have to open this up at some point in time. I don't know what it is, some kind of packaging material. So here is the side here, so you will have to open this up, and I'll do that here too. And then here is the front. This looks beautiful, and all these are LED lights in the front here. So look at the top here, we got USB 3.0 and then two USB 2.0s, your microphone, headphone, LED, maybe you can switch back and forth to different colors, and I'm assuming this is the power button. Alright, so let's go to the next side here. Beautiful. Got one scratch here on delivery, that's not cool. How did that get there? I didn't just do it, did I? Alright, so here is the back. We'll have to put those Wi-Fi antennas in right here. What is this? Important. Monitor control. Remove before use. Okay, well, of course. Let's go ahead and remove this before use. Alright, so that is off. So put those Wi-Fi antennas on, and this is the video card right here. Looks like we got two display ports. Nope, correction. We have 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. We have 4 USB 3.0s, then we have 2 2.0s right there and 2 2.0s right there. And then we have a DVI for the video card right here. Do we have 2 different video cards on this? And then a mouse, and then your Ethernet cord can go right there. Okay, so that's the back. And I think I'm going to leave this on. This is all magnetic actually, it just comes off. That's kind of cool. The other one I have, you kind of have to like clip it in place, and it comes off all the time on my other computer. So, okay, interesting. I will put these antennae on at some point. Let's go ahead and open up the computer right here and just see how it's packaged. I can take this off. This seems like it comes off really easy. Just screw it to the left. So I will have to be careful with this glass here. How can I take this off easily? Oh wow, that's beautiful. That's going to be terrible for fingerprints, but actually no, I don't see any fingerprints. So there is a little area where I can kind of lift up right here. It's kind of difficult with my finger. There we go. And there's one on the inside too. So I was right, there's like something here to package it. Oh well, just set that to the side. Put my tempered glass to the side. And let's take a peek what's in here. So here it is. And this is actually a smaller video card than I thought it would be. I thought this would be much larger, but it's really not. So make sure my RAM is seated in there correctly. This is seated in there. Anything else? Is this the solid state drives go right here? So I have another solid state drive slot where I can just flop it in there. Cool, cool. This is very beautiful. I'm excited to try this out for the first time. So here's the fan. Looks like everything is kind of connected good. I don't see any cables just loose in here at all. Looks like it's pretty good cable management from what I can see right now. This may need to be stick to the case a little bit better. That was popping up wherever this is. Now, when I was ordering this, I noticed there's just no PCIe slots. So the motherboard is pretty small. But looking at it now, I can see right where we have our Wi-Fi antenna, there is another PCI slot where that is plugged in. I don't think I saw that when I was online at all looking at this computer. So you do have a PCI slot where the Wi-Fi antenna is plugged in, if you can kind of see it right there. If you ever want to remove that, you have another spot, and then just direct connect it to your router. That would be an option right there if you ever decided to get something else in there besides your Wi-Fi antenna. So this is looking good. Let's go ahead and put it together and set it up and start it up for the first time and just see how this runs and operates. Alright, so everything is finally set up, and in this case absolutely looks beautiful. I love the 3 LEDs on the front, and then you have one in the back, and then you can kind of see the one over the CPU spinning from this location. But that is pretty much beautiful. And then the graphics card right here has a light on it. It says Zotac Gaming. That's kind of cool. I didn't expect that. So I went into my system here, and I just wanted to make sure everything is plugged in correctly. I can see 16 gigabytes of RAM. I can see my graphics card is the RTX 2070. I can see my AMD Ryzen 3700X. So everything is all good on that side. Now I did expect the fan noise to be a little bit quieter than my other premade computer. I do hear it kicking. It is somewhat loud, but it's not very loud. So if you're expecting it to be just like dead quiet where you can't even hear it, that's not the case. You're going to be hearing it if you're right next to it. So now the next step for me is to get Call of Duty Warzone downloaded and try to play a video game on this actually. Now I'm going to be doing that in a different video coming up at a later time in my channel, but if this video did indeed help you get an idea of this Skytech Gaming PC, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below and check out the Amazon link while you're down there. And check out some of the other videos coming up next on Your 6 Studio.